Hi everyone, my name is Chua from SH213. So today we're gonna talk about the typhoon Vongfong, or locally known as Ambo, that has struck the Philippines in May 14, 2020. So let's start. So as of May 11, a tropical depression named as Vongfong, or locally known as Ambo, was located at 400 km east of Mindanao, and it gradually organized as it took a slow northward course, strengthening into a tropical storm on May 12 and curving west thereafter. The next day, Vongfong entered a period of rapid intensification, becoming a typhoon and attaining a 10-minute maximum sustained winds of 150 km per hour. In May 14, 4 o'clock in the afternoon, categorized as a Category 3 typhoon, Typhoon Ambo made its initial landfall in San Policarpio, Eastern Samar. Typhoon Vongfong made a total of 7 landfalls across the Visayas and Luzon regions, causing it to be weakened and leading to its degeneration into a tropical depression along the Luzon Strait on May 17. It is the first storm of the 2020 Pacific Typhoon. According to the NDRRMC, Typhoon Ambo caused around 1.57 billion pesos in damage, and a total of 169 people were injured by the typhoon and 5 people were killed. The combination of high winds, sustained heavy rainfall, and storm surges has impacted vulnerable communities in the eastern Visayas, Bicol, and southern Luzon, which were also heavily affected by the Typhoon Kamuri, or locally named as Tisoy, in December 2019. Regional authorities in Bicol report that over 300 people sought refuge in 2,300 evacuation centers across the provinces of Sorsogon, Albay, Catanduanes, Masbate, Camarines Sur. About 15,900 people have preemptively evacuated in the province of Northern Samar, and Eastern Samar. From May 10, 2020, the National Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Council, or NDRRMC, has been issuing advisory warnings as the weather system comes closer and more information on the expected impact becomes available. The NDRRMC will begin to disseminate public warnings on the flooding and landslides. The local governments of the affected regions ordered a preemptive evacuation to the residents. Many spaces of the evacuation centers was reduced due to the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic. Because of that, evacuation was not easy. The National Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Council, or NDRRMC, readied logistics assets and a total of $23 million in disaster relief aid, while the Department of Social Welfare and Development moved relief goods to areas affected by Vongfong. A C-130 was deployed to Catarman, Northern Samar on May 18 to distribute food packs to the central and eastern Visayas. We should be aware that being exposed to this type of hazards can cause floods, landslides, large and very big waves associated with storm surge, and damages to the surrounding, and also the risk of death. As a student, I can assess the effectiveness of proactive approach to emergency preparedness by having emergency kit and by also using the knowledge that I have learned from the lessons in the RRR. And when proactively engaging in disaster preparedness simulations done in my school. Also, by listening to the instructions of the local government, I can know what to do in order to be safety. That's all. Thank you.